In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson ColorWorks C4000 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux computer, tablet, or PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Epson ColorWorks C4000 support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an Epson domain. This is Epson ColorWorks CW-C4000 support. Go ahead and select that. And then next to operating system, click the drop down and select your appropriate version of Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and then OK. And then scrolling down, expand the driver section and select the printer driver download here. Once it's on your system, open up the file. Should be a verified publisher from Epson. Select yes. Let this file unpack and then just walk through the on-screen wizard to getting your printer configured to your device preferences. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.